In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pepperstone Margin Calculator. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the tool, what information to enter, and how to read the result so you can plan trades with clarity and confidence. First, let's quickly cover what this calculator does. The margin calculator tells you how much capital is required to open a position. It works off three core inputs: your trade size in lots, the current price of the instrument, and your chosen leverage. The output is the required margin, and in some cases, you'll also see helpful extras like pip value or position size details. Think of it as a quick way to check if your account has enough free funds before you hit place order. To find it, log in to your Pepperstone Secure Client area. From there, navigate to Trading Tools, then Calculators, and select the Margin Calculator. This keeps everything in one place and ensures the figures are aligned with your account settings. Using it is straightforward. Start by choosing your instrument. You can select popular forex pairs like EUR/USD, metals such as gold or XAU/USD, or indices like NAS 100. Different instruments have different contract specifications, so make sure you pick the exact symbol you intend to trade. Next, select your account currency. This is the currency your trading account is denominated in, such as USD or EUR. If your account uses a different currency like PHP and it's available, choose that so the calculator converts the margin correctly for you. Enter your trade size in lots. For Forex, 1 taj lot equals 100,000 units, 0.1 lot equals 10,000, and 0.01 lot equals 1,000. If you're new, double-check you're using the correct lot size for the instrument, as indices and commodities can have different contract sizes. Set your leverage. Common options include 130, 100, or 500. Higher leverage lowers the margin required, but it also increases your exposure, so treat it with care and align it with your risk tolerance and local regulations. Now click Calculate. The tool will display your required margin and, depending on the instrument, sometimes additional details like pip value. This helps you confirm you have enough free margin before placing the trade. Here's a simple example. Suppose you're trading EUR or USD with a lot size of 0.1, which is 10,000 units. The price is 1.2 thousand, and your leverage is 1,100. The margin formula is price times volume, divided by leverage. So, 1.2 thousand multiplied by 10,000, then divided by 100, equals 120. In other words, you would need $120 in margin to open that position. That's it. Use the calculator before each trade to stay informed, manage risk, and trade with confidence.